Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting essentials ready so the install runs cleanly. First, confirm your iPad model supports iOS 26 and plug it in or reach at least 50% battery. This prevents mid-install shutdowns. Once done, back up to iCloud or a computer to save data and settings, because restores are much easier than recovery. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and free space is available, typically several gigabytes, so the download and unpacking don't fail. Now you'll get the update file and start installation. Open Settings, tap General then Software Update. If iOS 26 is listed, choose Download. Once the file downloads, do not interrupt the process. Keep the iPad plugged in and on stable Wi-Fi to prevent corruption. When prompted, accept terms and enter your passcode to authorize. The device will move through preparing and verifying. This can take time, so be patient until the iPad automatically reboots into the. After installation, you'll complete the initial setup by following on-screen prompts for Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID, and privacy choices. This finalizes system services and app permissions. If the update fails or the iPad is stuck, power cycle and try the update again, and if necessary, restore from your backup to recover data. As a key troubleshooting tip, use Finder or iTunes recovery mode to reinstall the firmware if the device won't boot, and contact Apple support if hardware issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.